I am vulnerable. Yes, I am sensitive. Maybe a way too much. That may have made me emotionally full. I have caught me crippled with emotions, a lost, still finding a way, giving up, or finally being a numb. I am just a normal guy who listens to music to stop the noise, where noise sometimes caused by others or my own unhandled thoughts finding a way out. The darkest night never left any fear in me, or any silence have left any emptiness in me. I am just searching the real silence for years. I heard what I am searching is also searching for me. I have always tried to find meaning in everything, actions or no actions, living thing or objects, natural or man made, hatred or love. And meaning was always in presence of both. If one is lost, then other never exists to label itself. Music has been always been my comfort, soothing, peaceful, synchronizing with my mood feelings, playing with perfect strings of my heart in such a delicate way, my heart starts to smile with the melody of music. I do rely on words from self-help books, motivational, religious, poetic books. Sometimes these all gathered words make me feel heavier and heavier, while sometimes the words are only who carries my weight. I have also got me running from the problems most have been my mind made. Many times I know, but I can't stop myself. But just some moments of focused breath settle me always. I have always caught me manipulating reality, and in my every effort of changing reality, the struggle starts. If you ask me to describe life in one word, I will describe it as uncertain. Uncertainty. I call it the greatest teacher. It taught you everything at the most unexpected time. That's why it is uncertainty. You can't be certain. You expect and you lose. You predict and you lose. Many beautiful moments filled in my life were all the gift of the uncertainty, and the many lessons I mastered today goes to the same guru, uncertainty. I do believe in energy, this supreme energy. I believe this uncertainty is His certainty. These blissful and learned moments all belong to this certainty of uncertainty. I always asked myself questions about vulnerability, big emotions, and controlling them, and all and all. The most beautiful decisions are always end up accepting me as it is. My fights are always inner fights. Yes, you never saw them. My mama have felt them. That's why she is mama. So my fights, my inner fights, they never stops. And you know who wins? No one wins. Just one thing I learned from all the storms I have been in, or a little piece of advice if I can give you is it all passes. Yes, storms passes. Therefore, they are storms. Till I found myself running, maybe a human nature. It always better to stop and stand rather than running in wrong direction. The most strongest homes I have built were in the days of the storm. They taught me what it takes to be stronger. I thank them. I smiled when I caught myself smiling. I just caught myself. I smiled. My teeth are not out. Flexing muscle of my cheeks, very little upturn in corner of my lips. Oh, my eyes, they are glowing by reading these words which I have scribbled down.